The seatbelt is a violation of human rights.
It's better to be thrown out than to be trapped inside.
没人能对我的生活指手画脚。
This is very upsetting.
Wearing a seatbelt is a terrible idea.
Serious restriction of freedom.
Mate, it's a terrible, terrible idea.
The New York Times reports it's a violation of human rights.
Who would ever want to wear this?
A public health report says it's ineffective, inconvenient, and uncomfortable.
It was just a normal morning. It was calm on the road, there was no traffic at all.
Och vi glider ungefär 70 meter innan vi smäller in i den första bilen.
The only thing I can hear is the...
In the beginning, we didn't know what happened actually.
It was just a lot of shock, panic.
And then just silence.
First thing that crossed my mind was my son, my 2-year-old son.
当时地上有碎的玻璃，还有我朋友的这个。
Så jag kollar bredvid på min bror och ser att han är medvetslös.
如果我没有系安全带，我想我也会死去。
For me, it saved my life.
That wasn't the day to die, basically. It was not going to be that day.